Hello everyone, today in this quick tutorial I'm going to be showing you how you can easily fix this error when you open an app on your Windows 11 desktop, or this works for any Windows version that you have. So first we'll have to understand what this error is. So this error happens when we don't have enough permissions to open a file or anything. So in order to fix that, it's really simple. What you have to do, for instance, let's say when I'm opening this app, this error shows up. So what you have to do is go into this application and then right click, and now you can see an option called run as administrator. If you can't find this here, what you'll have to do is go into show more options, and now you can see the option run as administrator with a shield symbol. You have to click on it, and now you guys to click on yes, and now that will open up the uh, application without any errors, because this error shows that it doesn't have any permission. So what running as an administrator gives all the permissions that it needs. So that's how you're gonna easily fix this error. So that's for today's video, guys. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please do like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.